Gentlemen, when did dressing sharp become so complicated? Seriously, type in how to dress sharp, you're gonna get over 1 million results. Buy this, buy that, wear this, wear that. Guys, it's confusing. What's a guy to do? In today's video, gents, I'm making it really easy for you. I'm uncomplicating men's style. First up, we've got fit. If it doesn't fit you, don't buy it. If you already own it and it doesn't fit you, get it adjusted to fit you. And if you can't get it adjusted to fit you, get rid of it. Guys, do not wear clothing that doesn't fit your body. Next up, gents, abide by the dress code. Oh, there's no dress code? Of course there's a dress code. There's always a dress code, gentlemen. Maybe it's not written, but look around. How are people dressing? Now, you can choose to reject the unwritten dress code, but understand, gentlemen, there are consequences, both good and bad, when you do this. The next deadly sin you want to avoid, mismatching patterns and colors. Guys, if you're just starting off, you want to keep it really simple. Don't overcomplicate this. When it comes to your base pieces, we're talking your shoes, trousers, jackets, suits, shirts. You want to go with solids here. You also want to go with the more common colors. So when it comes to shirts, you're going to go with blues and whites. When it comes to your suits, you want to make sure go with the gray. You want to go with a dark blue, maybe a navy. Some people are going to think boring. I think it's a great way to build your base and to avoid making a big mistake. The next style sin to avoid is buying quantity over quality. Guys, quality is worth saving up for, spending that extra bit of money. Yes, it's going to hurt, but when you get something that's actually going to last and look better with time, it's worth the investment. The next style mistake you want to avoid is not dressing to your body type. Minimize the flaws and maximize your strengths. So if you're a short and stout individual, you don't want to wear clothing that makes you look even shorter and more compact. No, what you want is clothing that's going to make you look good, lean, and proportional. The next step to make it look good, less complicated, gentlemen, automate, systemize, set up routines. If you've got something you don't have to think about, it's just something that happens, all of a sudden you're going to be able to dress sharp with less effort. Now for me, I've got a morning and an evening routine when it comes to skincare. Every day I'm going to be using a wash. About twice a week, I'm going to be using a scrub. Then I'm going to go in and I'm going to use the super serum. Yes, I'm using an anti-aging cream. Then I've got something for the black, basically bags under my eyes. And then I've got an AM cream. And what I like about the AM cream is it's got a little bit of UV protection, so it's going to protect me from the harmful rays of the sun. Now my evening routine, just a little bit different. I'm going to reuse the wash, going to use the super serum, the eye cream, and then I've got a PM cream, which doesn't have the UV protection, doesn't need it because, again, I'm just going to wear this when I go to sleep. So everything I talked about right there from Tiege Hanley, the paid sponsor of today's video, comes in their Skincare Level 3 package. Great company, great products. But what I really like, guys, is the system and how basically all of this is delivered to my door every single month. Check out all the different packages. They got Skincare Level 1, which comes with the wash, the scrub, the AM, and the PM. Then they got Skincare Level 2 that also comes with everything in Skincare Level 1, plus the eye cream. And then they got Skincare Level 3, which I just showed you, which comes with everything, including the super serum, which is their anti-aging cream. And gents, if you suffer from acne, Tiege's got you covered. Check out the Acne Package 1, which comes with their wash, their scrub, their AM, and the acne cream. Acne Level 2 comes with everything in Acne Level 1, plus an additional acne cream. Free shipping in the US, you can cancel at any time. Guys, I've been to the factory. I know the founders. Tiege Hanley is a great company and I'm proud to support them. I'm linking to them down in the description. Use that link down there. And this is the best deal that you're going to be able to find out there. So use it or lose it, guys. Great company. I'm proud to support them. The next tip to making dressing sharp less complicated, develop a uniform. This is your go-to set of clothing that represents the image that you want to send the world. So you want to think about what message do you want to send? One of competence, one of strength, one of, hey, this guy is very sophisticated. This guy is creative. You can do this with your clothing, from the glasses that you choose to the accessories you put on your body to the actual clothing. I'm not saying you got to wear a suit. Think about that message and then dress accordingly to that message. Build out the uniform that on a daily basis, you default to this and you're going to start practice dressing to be this man that you know yourself to be by going to that default uniform. The next tip to making style less complicated, I want you to seek inspiration. I want you to find a celebrity. I want you to find somebody that you can be inspired by. It really helps if he's got your complexion, he's maybe got your hair color, maybe a similar skin color, and go ahead and replicate that outfit. Believe me, no one's going to know that you're doing this, except what they're going to pick up on is, wow, you've got style. How did you know to put that stuff together? The next step to making style less complicated, eliminate distraction. You want to make it easy to dress sharp. How do you do this? Okay, let's go into your wardrobe. you want to purge your wardrobe. You want to get rid of things which are a distraction, things that are just taking up space which you don't wear. You want to make it easier to dress sharp than it is to dress down. So the night before, you lay out your clothes so you can find everything. The outfit is already put together, laying right where you can find it. Whenever you put away your jacket, you put it away with a pocket square. So if you're in a hurry, when you got to get dressed next time, oh, it's already got the pocket square right there. Style first, fashion second. Now, I got nothing against fashion, but fashion is fleeting, it's whimsical, it moves very quickly. When it comes to style, especially classic style, these things have been in style for 20 years, 40 years, 50 years. So you can bet that it's going to be in style next year, 2 years from now, if it's been around that long. Again, nothing against fashion. I think it's a great way to add spice and flavor to a wardrobe, but this is more for advanced users. The next tip to make style less complicated, when you find something that works, don't be afraid to buy in bulk. So you found this shirt company, you washed the shirt, you've worn it multiple times, you love the fit. It was a great deal. Guess what? Go back to that store and buy more of them. Because sometimes these brands stop making it. They go out of business, they change the model. You want to make sure that you've got this thing and that you wear it into the ground and you get good use out of it. The next tip to make dressing sharp less complicated, you want to upgrade your weakest link. You're not going to bring anything new into your wardrobe. What you're going to do is look at what you're already wearing and you're going to step it up. So you've already stepped up your suits. You're wearing really nice suits. You've stepped up your accessories, but look at your shoes. You're still wearing $100 shoes with a $1,000 suit. Maybe we should level this up. Maybe go with something that has a Blake stitch, something that has a Goodyear welt, shoes that are going to cost you $300, $500, maybe $800, but are going to work better with the entire outfit. So guys, that is going to be upgrading the weakest link. The next tip to making dressing sharp less complicated, start to work with a professional. We're talking a tailor, a clothier, a stylist that knows what they're talking about, and they can take their years of experience and point you in new directions, looking at things that you didn't even know were out there. That's what professionals do. If you can go out there and find one, yes, you may pay a bit more, but you will be amazed at what they can bring to your fingertips. Now, this last tip is perhaps the most important one, gentlemen, and that is to invest in your own education when it comes to style. Go out there and read the books. Go out there, take a course on style. Go out there. I've got tons of free ebooks. I will be linking to them down in the description. I will be linking to other YouTube channels that hopefully maybe you resonate more with them. But what I want to see you do, guys, is to take this information and then all of a sudden start to use it to become the man you know yourself to be. All right, gentlemen, now it's your turn. I want to hear from you down in the comments. What'd you think of this video? How could I make it better? What did you learn? What was your favorite part? And guys, if you like this video, give it a like. If you're new to Real Men Real Style, make sure to subscribe, become part of our community. And gentlemen, don't forget, I'm linking to Tiege Hanley down in the description of this video. Use that link to get the best deal you're going to find out there, guys. Great company. I'm proud to support them. So go take care of your skin, build up that routine, use their system. They make it simple. They make it easy. And again, it's a great product. That's it, gentlemen. Take care. I'll see you in the next video.